As a roofing expert, I only recommend replacement when repairs are unreliable or risky. And here are the 4 key factors that lead to usually recommending a roof replacement. Indicator number 1, shingle wear.
See, the shingles are definitely worn through. I mean, you've got good lifetime out of them. The granules are mostly off.
Shingles are designed with a protective granule and asphalt that keeps the water off of the underlying fiberglass matting. Once the shingles are worn so thin that you can see the fiberglass showing through the granules, they're losing their waterproofing ability fast and should be replaced. Indicator number 2, widespread sealant failure.
The adhesive has definitely worn, and so you've got, shingles doing this. They're literally just sitting there.
Replacing a few loose ones will work in the short term, but this is going to keep happening again and again. Indicator number 3, multiple nail pops.
Got a lot of places where we've got stuff like this going on. The fastener underneath has poked a hole through this shingle and is rusting.
Seeing these little small bumps across the surface of the roof is usually an indicator of a system-wide issue. While we can fix a single nail pop here and there, it's usually a recurring pattern, and that means we'd just be treating the symptom and the problem will probably keep recurring throughout the roof. And indicator number 4 is the age.
It's obvious that it's, nearing the end of its life. Right here on the front, we've got stuff like this where there are holes in the shingle from damage of some kind.
Most shingle roofs last about 30 years, so if your roof is at or beyond that mark, putting money into repairs is kind of a risky investment. You're simply delaying the inevitable full replacement that's going to be right around the corner anyways. Now on the flip side, I would recommend repairs for isolated roof issues like a cracked pipe boot seal, a piece of failed flashing, a ridge vent leaking, as long as the roof is under 20 years or so. I'm all about saving you money whenever possible. Now here's a critical piece of advice. These kinds of issues can rarely be seen from the ground. The first sign for most people, unfortunately, is a major leak leading to thousands of dollars of unexpected interior damage, repairs, sometimes mold, and contractor disruption as they clean up inside the home. So my recommendation, Joyland can conduct a quick 30-minute inspection to catch these hidden issues on the roof before they turn into a major headache for you. So call Joyland now for your free, honest assessment of your roof's condition.